abalunzi b'embuzi mugamba mutya kansubire muri bulungi. So this is one of my goat pens for one of emigongo, the ones that have really grown a little bit. They're in about 3 to 4 deliveries. So guys, when I tell you that one of the greatest success to goat farming is how clean you are, I want you to realize how these goats are clean. It's almost 3, but look at the levels of cleanness. But also look at how technical we did this pen. So this pen, we did a lot of drainages just to make sure that water doesn't stagnate. Yeah. But also we clean twice a day. And now it means these guys are gonna have a very nice environment that is safe, and we also minimize now on the drugs that we use. Yeah. So most of these are about 120. They are all heavily pregnant, but for the kids not to get infections, yeah, this is how the pen should be. Yeah. So you don't see any levels of urine, stagnated urine, so meaning they won't inhale ammonia that will affect their lungs. But also the droppings are always cleaned so that they are in a nice, safe environment. So 120 goats by 1.5, we expect over 200 babies here. And that's how we've prepared for them. So when we charge what we charge, it's because we know the levels of care that we give, and it's not cheap, it's extremely expensive. So borate leaf, make sure all the water is there. At any one point, the water is there. Make sure the salt is there. That's very simple, but very functional. That is salt. It is always there. Because now, this salt makes them drink water, you know. And also make sure where the kids are going to sleep is all dry, well cushioned with dry straws, so that everything is okay. Look at those guys, ladies and gentlemen. These are like a day old and something like that. Yeah. So thank you for liking Muvala Good Farms and Properties. Keep following us.